So animation, while you're working with 2D animation, works in frames. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to take out this draw tool right here and draw something out just like this. So you can see that here is a drawing, and if I were to go around and then change the frame right here, you can see, let's say for example, if I were to go to frame 2 right here, then I can draw another frame right here just like this on top of it. Similarly, I can go around right here and then draw another frame right here. And then I can go around over here, draw another frame just like this. So what happens is that the animation actually takes place like this, as you can see. So the process is quite simple. You just move the timeline right here on the spot you want. So it seems like the ball is being squashed right here, as you can see, and you can unsquash it out just like that. So you can go around, draw it out again right here, and then draw it out again just like this, and then go around over here, draw it out over here again just like that, as you can see. So if I were to go around and then play this, you can see that it slowly changes out the animation right here just like that. So you can see that these are the keyframes which I can move across just like this. So all the keyframes has the drawings in them, as you can see. So I'm just going to move them closer together because they are too far apart. So let me just bring them together right here just like this. Let me just bring that out over here as well. And if I were to press the play button, you can see that that is how it actually plays around. And that is how you can draw in frames inside of Blender and then even move the frames. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.